Ladies and gentlemen, we are hitting the playoffs now. TL looks to possibly make their way into the finals against defending champs CounterLogic Gaming.
Oh, Team Liquid still not there.
TP in from Lorlo. He wants to eject him. Oh, it's Rendon on the way out. They say thank you very much and bye-bye.
Take us out of the fight. Take us out of the fight. I'm coming back in.
And here comes Phoenix once again. The double distortion is up. And there goes CounterLogic Gaming. And they are going to take game one of the series against CounterLogic Gaming.
Closer.
Go Calista first.
Yep.
Nice. Poppy, no flash. Get in the flash.
I'm going Poppy.
I'm on Poppy. TJ is too far from me.
I'm on Poppy.
I'm on Poppy. Closer.
Yeah.
I'm on between, guys.
Yeah.
Alright. They ulted me out.
Carmen no flash. You got him, Darshan. I got him.
They're gonna pop Dardoch immediately. There goes Matt. Next falls Phoenix. Much more definitive in the win, and they take game two over Team Liquid.
You ready?
Yeah, come in.
I'm the top right.
I don't have TP right now.
Rise. I'm in the sitting.
No flash. Kill Rise. Nice shot.
I'm on Kill Kindred.
Sticks say a 1-2, a third shot. He comes up with a triple. We're going 2-1 here. Match point, CounterLogic Gaming.
They're still down 5,000 gold, so even in a 45.
Wow! Black gets absolutely deleted, but huge damage from the Mantra Inner Flame. And TL will not go quietly into the night. We're going to a game 5.
I'm on.
CLG may get the chance to defend that championship with 2 new members. It means a lot to Hui. It means a lot to Stixay to get that chance. CounterLogic Gaming takes down Team Liquid.